Dazzling. Word number 1. You look dazzling. Te miras deslumbrante. Number 2. I need a breakdown of the cost. Necesito un desglose de los costos. Or gastos. Number 3. A gush of blood. Un chorro de sangre. Number 4. Sob. Don't sob. Sollozar. No te pongas a sollozar. Scope. It's out of the scope of this conversation. Es fuera del alcance de esta conversación. You could also say ámbito. That was 5, by the way. Number 6 is groom. They are grooming him for the position. Lo están preparando para la posición. The scourge of the city. El azote de la ciudad. Number 7, uproar. There was an uproar. Hubo un alboroto. Number 8, egomaniac. She is an egomaniac. Ella es una ególatra. Number 9, bespoke. The suit is bespoke. El traje es a medida. And that is TenForDiez.